Okay, guys, so what we're looking at here, we see a triangle. You see the boxes making a triangle here. One, two, three. Okay, so we saw a triangle here. One, two, three, and the market tanked. What do you think the market can do from here? This drawing. Okay, so let's see if the market is gonna go higher from here. We're gonna place a limit order. That's what we are expecting, guys. Okay, we see a visual imbalance. One, two. Okay, we see buyers in the tape. See buyers in the tape. Now give it some room, guys. See the Nasdaq breaking up. Look at the buyers. 118 contracts. 100, 100. Lots of buyers in the Nasdaq.
Signal Apple.
Long signal ES. Long signal N.
Long signal SPY.
Okay, there goes the buyers. Okay, guys, almost stopped me out, but still holding the trade. I do believe these guys can go higher, and we see an imbalance of 1,300 contracts here. These guys are short right now. If the market reverses from here, they're gonna puke, and they're gonna trigger the winners here, guys. So we're gonna push it because these guys need to go long if they get stopped out. We see another 800 buyers. So these guys already puked. Lots of buyers, guys, in the tape.
Long signal SPY.
Okay, lots of buyers within the Nasdaq trying to break the
Long
second
signal
ATR.
NQ.
Okay, so this is the real deal, guys, about this ATR here. If the market takes it and breaks it, then the ES will go higher from here and get out our three targets. We did very good trades in the morning, guys, but I didn't get to record them. Okay, guys, market reversed from here. So, but still holding this trade. See buyers in the Nasdaq. Still, the correlation is up. This is manipulation. So no problem. I can lose 500 here. No problem. Still be up in the day. Hey, there goes the micro ES. There goes the Nasdaq again. There go. There we go. Okay, guys, I'm out. Okay, very good trade. Still very risky, guys. Market just decided to, do all this mumbo jumbo in this area. But you see the skids from the time and sales. You see it, the first one here. second one here. So buyers are, the system is telling you buyers are really stepping up. So you just need to wait for the buyers. Okay, so this is what happened here. And remember, I can say in the boxes, when you see three boxes like this, okay, so this is an algorithm that they detect. Okay, so and it works very well. So you can know that the market is gonna do something when you see this, when the boxes are in the aligned like this way. So the software works very well, guys. I do encourage you, if you would like to purchase the software, you contact me. I will be happy to send you information, guys. So thanks for watching, and bye bye, guys.